Oh, hello, Hiko. If you are watching this, that means you now know me as well. Well, Dora costume. I'll show you my characters. Bowser. Get me off the set! Okay. Sorry about that. Giant Spyro. Holy crap, I look blue. Utah the dog. I look nice. Your dog. Woof. Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Yay. Yoshi. Yoshi. Duck. Or Crackers. And your Meowth. Meowth. Okay. So, if you're watching this, please make an account and subscribe. I'll make some nice videos.